Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel Mind Blowing. Today we are going to discuss about the short story that is One Sunday. That is quite famous story from this collection of the Tales from Frostia Bagh that was once awarded also. So we are going to discuss here today this story. Before starting this, I want to tell you guys that I'm going to upload a series of videos on this particular collection. If you have any confusion in understanding that what are the Tales from Frostia Bagh and what is the Frostia Bagh, so there's nothing to worry about. I have already uploaded a video. Just watch out that and hope so you will enjoy it and you will understand it. Now we are going to talk about the One Sunday. That is a short story. So before starting its summary, I want to introduce a list of the characters as there should not remain any misunderstanding, because in accordance to my viewpoint, that if you have no idea about the characters, so you will not be able to understand the entire story. So the first character is Najmai. Najmai is actually an old lady who used to live in her flat with Londi, because she was having three daughters and one of them is dead and other two have gone abroad for higher studies, and now she is lonely at the flat. The most important thing about Najmai is that she has bought a fridge that is used by her neighbors as well, and she is also having some breathing problem, due to which she has been once operated. Now the next character is Tehmina. Tehmina is actually her neighbor. She is also an old lady. She is having the tooth ache, due to which she used to chew the cloves throughout the day. Slow Boys is another neighbor of the Najmai. She has never been means said the words of the thanks to the Najmai, because she thought that although she is using her Najmai's fridge, but there's nothing to say the thanks, because in returns to this favor, she's also getting favors from her, like she asks them for the newspaper, and Slow Boys also means takes the milk in the morning for the Najmai, as she should not wake up early in the morning. So now there is another character, that is Kersey. Kersey is actually a young boy who is the son of the Slow Boys, and he used to read the fantasy books, due to which he is mocked by his brother. He is not a strong-minded and mature boy. We have also been introduced to him that once he was interested in playing cricket, but he was disheartened by his coach and captain, that he was not given a chance to play. He was just considered as an extra player in his team. Now the Francis is actually a boy who used to work for these community people. He used to sit out of these flats and just on the some sounds and making noises, and by clapping someone calls him and asks his favor. He used to work for them just to earn his own bread and butter. So Francis is a poor boy. And Now the next character is Percy. Percy is actually the younger brother of the Kersey, and he is the son of the Slow Boys. He is much stronger. Minded than his brother Kersey, as we can easily conclude this from the decisions which he takes at the time of the while they are chasing the Francis, while he ran away. So he is a strong-minded boy, and he used to mock his brother for reading the fantasy books. So now it's time to start the summary. So the story starts with the Nachamai, who is packing all the things just to have a visit to her sister, who lives in the Bandra. Bandra is actually a city in the India, or we may say that it's an area in India. So she is packing all the things just to visit her sister, and at that time she is also thinking that her flat is gonna be empty for the first time in the entire life, because two of her daughters, Veera and Dolly, has gone abroad for the higher studies, and one is dead. So at that time she is quite happy with her neighbors, that they are using her fridge, but now it's a kind of the favor that her flat will never be theft, because her neighbors will be visiting it and coming to its flat. So there is no chance that the flat will be theft. So the Najmai, while packing the things, Najmai is feeling uncomfortable because she is having some breathing problem as well. When the Najmai left, means she has gone to her sister for the visit. At that time, Tahmina decides to take few ice cubes from the Najamai's flat and fridge. So she goes there, and at that time she observes that Francis is moving around, roaming around the flat. So she scolds him very harshly. So due to which we can say that she is a harsh natured lady. After that, Tehmina takes those ice cubes and went back to her flat. So now we are introduced to a new character, that is the Kersey. Kersey is actually a boy who was once interested in the cricket, but now he has learned the means kite flying tricks from the Francis, due to which he and Francis is having a friendship, or they are about to be engaged in a friendship. But the Kersey's parents are not satisfied with this particular friendship, because they consider the Francis as a low standard poor boy, and they don't want their son to be the friend of a poor boy. So at that time, but they are but somehow the this particular boy, Kersey, has learned these tricks of the kite flying from the Francis. Kersey introduced a boy. Slow voice. Now we have also learned that when the Najamai left, so the slow boys, the other neighbor of her, has packed the packets of the milk, and that are moved to her fridge. After that, packing these all milks and these all packets of the milks, packets of the meat, that are moved to the Najamai's fridge in her absence. So after that, there is now the Tehmina. Tehmina used to visit the flat very oftenly. She again goes to the flat of the Najmai. First, she is horrified by the Francis, who is moving around the flat of the Najmai. Although she has already scolded him in the morning, but now again he is moving around this particular flat, because he was hungry and from 2 days, and he has nothing to eat. So and he has also no money to buy anything to eat. So at that time, Tahmina asked him to lock the flat and help her lock the flat, because she has a problem while locking the flat in the morning also. So now he asks his favor to lock up the flat. So after that, we are now the story moves a little bit forth, that Najmai is back to her flat, and she is just getting refreshed. At that time, she points someone behind the kitchen door, and she screamed out, chore, chore, chore. So due to this particular noise, her neighborhood is gathered around her flat, and she points a person as a thief, and that particular person was the Francis. So in haste, he runs away from her flat. Kersey and the Percy, both of the brothers, have decided to catch the Francis and to bring him back to the Najmai, which they did with the help of the crowd and the other people who were there for the matka purpose or the game. So at that time, when they bring him back to the Najmai, so she asks him that why he had done such type of thing, while she has offered many favors to the Francis, but somehow the entire means the procedure is ended up with the Francis, who is means sent to the police station as as a thief. After that, Najmai actually went back to her flat, and she cleans her entire flat. And after that, the story ends up with the Kersey, who is taking out the band from his bed and cleaning it from the all the blood spots, which are of the raids and of different incidents. Incidents, or we may say that it is the sign of the different incidents. Now I have already means talked about these all things, this part of the story which I have mentioned in this slide. Now let's move to the difficult words. So the one difficult word in this story that you may have the problem while talking about this particular word, so that is the chore. Chor is actually a Hindi word, or we may say that we also use it in the Urdu word, as a Urdu word, which means a thief in English. So this is all about the story, short story. So don't forget to like, share, and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. That's all from my side.